channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this really cool makeup look using new products that I haven't tried out, that I bought but I haven't tried yet. So if you want to see what products I bought and to see how they perform, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. Okay guys, so we're going to be using the Zodiac palette. This is the Love Signs one. They have two different ones, but I've only used this once, so I was like, I need to use it again. So let's get started with this eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Morphe M411 brush and I'm going to go ahead and dig into this pink shade right here. So this one is called, Aries, just like my sign. So this beautiful pink right here. And this is like a shimmery shade, but I'm just gonna be applying this. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm gonna be applying this right here to the inner corner and the inner portion of the lid. And I'm also gonna be dragging it a little bit upwards. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and dig into the other matte shade here. It's also underneath Aries. It's just like a really beautiful pink shade, and I'm just going in with circular motions, and this is going right on top of the first shade. This palette is also super pigmented. Like, I literally only tapped my brush in there once. Sorry if the beginning of this video was a little bit noisy. I did have my washer going. Okay, so once I have that shade on there, I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this shade right here. It's right underneath Gemini, and I'm taking the same brush, tapping off the X's, and then applying it right next to that pink matte shade. I'm gonna grab a little bit more pink shade underneath Aries, and we're just gonna deepen this guy up a little bit right here. Just because I want to make sure that these two colors next to each other don't look like pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this Taurus shade. So pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right underneath here in the lid area. I'm gonna go back into Aries, and I'm just gonna add a little bit right here where we kind of lost that shade, and going into that Taurus shade. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna go into Gemini. Oh my god, this shade is stunning. This beautiful magenta shade. And we're gonna be applying this right here in the very outer corner. Oh my god, so freaking pretty. I'm going to take a very big fluffy brush. This has no product, and I'm just going to go ahead and just work on the edges right here because I don't want it to look harsh. So just kind of running this all along the edges. I do want to dig a little bit into the Scorpio shade because it is a really pretty pale pink. It's a little bit more pale than the Aries shade. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Scorpio shade, and I'm just going to add it right here into the inner corners, just to give it a little bit more brightness. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just add some mascara, and then we'll get started on the skin. Okay, so I don't have a new primer to try out, but I'm just going to use my Optical Illusion primer because I do have a new foundation, and I know this primer works really good. So I want to make sure that I can really just see if the foundation works for my skin or if it doesn't. That way I'm not like wondering like, oh, maybe it was a primer or whatever, because I know that's not the case. Okay, so the new foundation we're trying out is the new Juvia's Place foundation. I got in the shade Malta 640. So we'll see if it works. So this is a velvety matte foundation. So let's try it out. I do really like how it has like a little squeeze thing. That way you don't waste so much product. I don't know how much to put. Maybe I'll just do this much for right now. It looks kind of yellow, but I mean, I am kind of yellow, so I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my beauty sponge by Morphe times Jeffree. So it's blending out really good. It's definitely like full coverage, which is really nice. And I also like that it doesn't dry like right away, because there's some foundations that you put them on and then when you're gonna blend them, they're kind of like already dry. So this one doesn't really do that, so that's pretty good. I'm just kind of blending it down my neck a little bit. I really like it. I feel like it is full coverage. You don't need that much product. I feel like it is definitely a velvety matte. It's not like a super matte foundation. And it feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. So I like it so far. The color, I feel like the color is not bad either. So thank God for that. Yeah, so far so good, you guys. Right now it's 1:51 p.m. I'm gonna go to work after this starting at 3, so I'll have this on up until maybe like 9:30. So probably in the next video I'll let you guys know how it kind of wore and stuff. But initial thoughts is that I really like it and it went on really good. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer. This one is bomb. This one, it's not new because I have used this one in the past, but it is a new color for me. This is in the color C2.5. So we'll see how it works. I think I'm going to like this one. Yeah. Because this one has a little bit more of a yellow tint and the C2 was a little bit more like pinky. So I like this color. So I do have a new powder. I'm so excited to try this out. This is the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and I got it in the shade Fair Light. So we're gonna use this to bake under the eyes or just like set under the eyes. I just use the other end of my sponge. Okay, this powder is like really good. So I feel like the color is really good. Like I feel like it's pretty close to my concealer shade and it's doing a really good job on setting the makeup, and it's also giving it like a really pretty velvety finish. So that's really nice. For the rest of my face, I'm just gonna use my regular C4 powder by MAC. Just gonna set it all over. I do have a new bronzer to try out. This is the Butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Oh, it smells good. It smells like coconut. The shade is also really pretty. It's definitely not red or anything, it's just really bronzy. I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm gonna bake a little bit underneath here because I feel like my bronzer went a little bit too down. I do have a new blush to try out. I'm so excited for this one. This is from KYLIE Cosmetics and it's the Pink Power. I've been literally wanting this brush for so long. I've never tried her blushes either, so let's see. They're definitely, I feel like, a little bit more on the sheer side, so you kind of have to build it because I feel like I'm going in here pretty hard. And I feel like I'm not really getting that much pigment. The color is really pretty though. I really like it. But I do feel like you need to definitely build it up to get your desired pigment. I'm going to use my Show Gold highlight. This is by MAC. Love this one. I'm going to just add a little bit of my Anastasia highlight to my nose. Okay, so for the waterline, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's liner in Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's a beautiful turquoise shade. Okay guys, so I did throw on some 48 lashes from MAC. I'm going to take my palette once more and we're going to dig into this Aquarius shade, which is a really pretty deep like teal color. So we're going to grab some of that in our pointer brush and diffuse it underneath the lower lash line. I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to get some more of that shade, and we're just going to push it up against the lower lash line to make sure there's no gaps. Okay, and now I'm going to dig into the Capricorn shade, which is this matte one right here. And we're just going to grab a little bit of that and put it right underneath this teal shade. So, oh my god, I forget that I have my mirror. Like, hello, I need to start using it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips now. So we're going to use a Makeup Talk by Morphe. Center, we're going to use Viva Glam 2. If you don't have the shade, you need it because it's bomb.com. So I do have a new lipstick. This is the Drug Lord by Jeffree Star. I got this a while ago, but I haven't used it, and originally I was going to use it for like the eyes and stuff as like a white eyeliner, but I kind of want the center to be a little bit lighter, so I'm just going to put some of this on. I'm going to put some in the back of my hand because I don't want to get the doe foot applicator dirty, and I think I'm just going to use my fingers. So I put a little bit here. I don't even know how much to do, but oh, let's see. Wow, so cool. Bomb. Yeah, I think I feel like my eyebrows are throwing me off because they're so bushy. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and set with my Cherry Blossom setting spray by MAC. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Literally everything that I did try that was new to me, I feel like I really liked. The palette I did use once before, and dude, this is like so bomb. You guys really need to get this. I think, how much is this? I want to say it's like $17, but it's so worth your money. So go out and get this. The foundation actually looks really good, like really snatched. I'm actually really liking it. Really. So the foundation I think was really good, and I really feel like I got a really good color. The bronzer I really like too. I feel like next time I'm going to use a different brush because the one I used was a little bit flimsy and like a little bit too fluffy. But I really liked it. Oh my god, why do I keep saying really? But anyways, I loved the way it smelled as well. The powder, okay, this powder is bomb.com. I feel like it made my under eye so freaking snatched and so freaking smooth, and this is only $7. So you need this, go get it. The concealer, you guys know I'm a sucker for these, $4, bomb.com. Oh, okay, I just forgot something. The L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Let me do this real quick for my lower lashes. I can't really do this on camera, or wait, now I have this mirror, so let's try it. Oh my god, this mascara is bomb. Let me just zoom you guys in 1 second. Oh my god, like the brush is super skinny too. Let me see. Look how skinny it is, and it's kind of like a nylon. So it really helps, like nylon material. I don't know if that's true, but I feel like it's nylon material, so it really helps to separate the lashes. But oh my god, it's like so freaking nice. Okay, bomb. So final thoughts, this mascara so far is working really good. I do need to try it out like for the top lashes, but so far I really like this too. The only thing that I'm a little bit like kind of disappointed is in the blush. So I really wanted to try, okay, here I go with really, okay. Anyways, I wanted to try this blush out because this is the blush that I feel like she wears in most of her makeup looks, and I love like the pink flush look. So I went to go out and get it, and I feel like it's not really that pigmented, and I feel like I had to like go in here like so many times, and I feel like you can't even see the blush that much. So this is the only thing that I would probably pass on, which I'm kind of sad because I had really high hopes. But everything else I really loved, you guys. Everything that I got was purchased at Ulta, so if you do want to try any of these products out, you can find them there. So that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying out new products that I purchased at Ulta. So if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.